Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Tomb Raider I-III Remastered starring Lara Croft game crashing at startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart Epic Games Launcher or restart your PC. So close the Epic Games Launcher, click on this arrow icon, right click on Epic Games and then click on exit. This will exit the Epic Games Launcher and then relaunch the Epic Games Launcher and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC. Restart your PC once and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify game launch options. So you can try these launch options. First try the -no legal. So here how to modify the game launch options. Open Epic Games Launcher, click on these three dots next to the Tomb Raider I-III Remastered starring Lara Croft game and then click on manage and then toggle on the launch options and here type -no legal, close it and then launch the game and check. This launch options has helped the many user to fix the problem. But if it doesn't work in your case, then you can also try this launch options. So again go to the game manage and here type -no vsync and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the manage and this time type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game manage and this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game manage, remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to disable overlays. So disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games Launcher, click on this three dot next to the game, click on manage and then next to verify files, click on verify. And after 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open the Tomb Raider I-III Remastered game folder, select this Tom 123 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open the Tomb Raider I-III Remastered game folder, select this Tom 123 and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well and then launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games Launcher, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on manage. Then next to installation, click on this folder icon. This will open the game installation folder. Here you will see the Tom 123 exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK and then double click this Tom 123 exe file and then try to launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If it's still not working, again from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card drive version, then download and install the latest version, and then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open the Tomb Raider I-III Remastered folder. Select this Tom123 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10, delete Tomb Raider I-III Remastered starring Lara Croft save game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first if you want to keep the backup. And also you have to start the game from the scratch. So here how to delete the Tomb Raider I-III Remastered save data. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open the roaming folder, and here you will find TRXEGS folder. This is the save game folder for the Tomb Raider Remastered game. So right click on it, first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to turn off cloud save. So open Epic Games Launcher, click on this three dot next to the game, click on manage, and here you will see the cloud saves. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then again go to the game, manage, and then just toggle it on and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the taskbar Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Tomb Raider I-III Remastered starring Lara Croft game from your PC. Then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Tomb Raider I-III Remastered Starring Lara Croft game crashing, crashing to desktop, crashing at a startup, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.